Hey guys, Meteorologist Brandon Arnold here. We are done with our newscast for the night. It is 10:48 on this Thursday evening, but wanted to do this web forecast just in case you missed the news and you wanted an update on what we're thinking in terms of potential severe weather through the overnight, because there is still a slight chance in place there. We have basically two lines of thunderstorms that we're going to be keeping an eye on here on Precision Doppler over the next couple of hours. Our first line sitting just off to our south. This is going to be the more immediate threat. As you can see, some of those storms now starting to push into our eastern counties. The second line, that is still off to our west. That is associated with our next cold front. That might have just a slightly better chance of some severe weather, although you're noticing a lot of the tornado and thunderstorm watches that were issued earlier today have been allowed to expire. They have not been renewed at this point, so overall, like I said, just a slight chance for severe weather, nothing major, but the potential is still there. In fact, here is the latest outlook. You can see basically everything ahead of our next cold front is under that slight risk. So just like we were talking about earlier this evening in our 5 and 6 newscast, if we see any severe weather, strong winds and maybe some large hail, but in terms of the tornado threat, not going to be worrying about that. Here's a look at Futurecast. We're going to start 10 p.m. and then go through the overnight. And as you can see, the model's keeping things pretty quiet until that cold front begins to swing in. So there are your thunderstorms, 3, 4 a.m. I think this particular model kind of has this cold front moving through a little slower than what it probably will, but still maybe some lingering storms into Friday morning. By that point, the severe threat will be gone, and then we'll continue to clear things out. And by midday tomorrow, and especially by our Friday afternoon, things looking a lot drier out there. So we're going to continue to monitor these storms from the First Warn Weather Center here. If we do have any updates, obviously you can find us online, mystateline.com. That's where we have our First Warn Weather blog. You can also find us Facebook and Twitter, and if need be, we'll also cut in on WTVO 17 and Fox 39 to give you the updates as we head through the rest of the night. So stay safe tonight, and we'll give you those updates as we get them.